Hi there! Here's a quick overview of the Welcome section. A Welcome section is the top part of your website page, typically on the home page. It sets the tone for your website and quickly lets visitors know what you and your brand is about. So I'm logged into my account and I'm on the website builder, and you can see this template already has a Welcome section on the home page. And you can use these techniques to edit that. But in this video, we're going to show you how to add a welcome section at the top of the page from scratch. So I'll just click on this section and I'll click delete. And now we want to add a welcome section above this one here and below the header. So when I hover on the header, I can click add section right here. So welcome is already the first one that's chosen. Choose a layout that you like. I'll go with this one right here and then click Add Section. As you can see, the Welcome section comes with an image, comes with a title, subtitle, description, and buttons. To edit any of these items, you can click right on it, or you can look for the corresponding labels on the left. By editing on the left, you may have more styling options. If you don't want to see any of these items as part of this section, you can toggle it right off. So for example, if you don't want this subtitle, just click to toggle it off on the left. I also don't want to see the secondary button, so I'll toggle that off. If you want to change the image, you can upload right from your computer. Just click on it and click the upload and change so you can change the image right away. Or you can select from files or choose a stock image or video. So you can click on these quick tools right here, or on the left you can click right here. So I'll choose select from files. So we can go ahead and use an image that we've uploaded previously. For example, I have some here in this folder. You can also upload an image right now to your file manager. But I'm going to choose a stock image, so I'll click Stock Images under Explore. I'll browse through the stock images that are free for you to use. Just select an image and then click Save. Right now the image scaling is set to fill, and that will ensure that the entire image container is filled. If you click Fit, it will make sure that the entire image is seen and it doesn't crop the image, but you may see some white space. So I'm going to choose Fill because it gives a more clean look for my site, but keep in mind it may crop the image depending on the aspect ratio. And depending on the aspect ratio as well, you can play around with the image positioning. And that will adjust what part of the image is shown. Keep in mind that you might want to check what this looks like when you preview it on different devices. So really quickly I'll show you. We'll go to Preview. So for tablet, this is what you would see, and for mobile you would see this. So we'll go back to Edit Site. Now it's time to customize the text on the section. So again, you can edit the text just by clicking right on the editor and editing it right here, or finding the label on the left and editing in that field. So you'll see I edited right on the editor, or on the left you can do that as well. So you'll notice for the description we have even more editing options. If you highlight the text for the description, you can make it bold, italicized, underlined. You can also add lists. And you can also add a link to the text. So highlight the text you want to add the link to, and then click the link to icon. Now you can choose whether you want to link that text to something within your website, so a page or a pop-up or file. And you can also choose to have it linked to a web address, an email, or phone number. So here I might want to link this to a page. I'll choose the page that I want it to link to. And you can even choose which section you want visitors to land on when they click this link. And then click Save. So I've added a link. You can also change the alignment of this text. Now, if you want to change the colors or fonts in this section, we have video tutorials to show you how to do that. If you want to change the colors just for this section that won't apply to your entire website, you can click Change Colors and Layout up here, and then click Change Colors. And you can pick from the site theme colors or choose custom colors. So we'll go back. You'll notice under the Colors and Layout section, you can also play around with other styling options. Now, one unique feature about the Welcome section is that you can choose the section aspect ratio. So right now by default it's set to fit content, but you can choose a different ratio. Now keep in mind that this aspect ratio will be across all of your devices, so if visitors see your website on mobile, they'll see the same aspect ratio. So there may be some cropping of your content. So the best thing to do again is to make sure you preview the site. So you'll see that if you choose this aspect ratio, the button will be cut off. So what I like to do for the safest option is to choose fit content. Now let's go back to the other options for this section. So you can go back to the section overview by clicking back right here, or just click right on the editor. We're going to scroll on the left, and now we're going to edit the button. So to change the label for the button, again you can click right on the button, or click on the left under Label. So I've changed the label for the button, and now I want to add my link. So on the left, you can click under Primary Button, or you can click right here on this quick tool. This time I'll have the link go to my contact page. So when you're happy with all of the changes you've made on your Welcome section, make sure you make it go live by clicking Publish on the top right-hand corner. So that's it for this video. As you can see, it's very simple to add and customize a Welcome section on your website. We hope this was helpful, and best of luck on your website building journey. Thanks for watching.